Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. So today we are going to be starting off our catch-all Frankenplanner. So I already did some things off camera so that this video wasn't super duper long. So the first thing I did was I took the guts from my daily planner and put them on another set of rings. And I'm going to end up doing the same to the cover because we're going to use these copper rings on our Spoonful of Faith lined vertical planner. So this is the cover that we're going to be using, which is the cover for the Spoonful of Faith lined vertical. And I have already taken out the first month from the Spoonful of Faith and our planner purpose pages that we made a couple videos ago, and a half of a month from the daily pages from here. So let me grab the rings off of here. And it's real easy to take the rings off. You just want to turn them. I turn them sideways. That's the way when I just have two covers stuck together. I just turn them sideways and take them off that way. And that keeps them pretty much protected. And I'm going to pop this cover on here so that I know what's on these rings, and I'll pop the back on later. So, everything's everywhere. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop my rings on here. Now, our, excuse me, my catch-all, is there a scratch on my cover? There is. Oh man, it's okay though. It's okay. So, I plan to have a little protector over here anyway, so we'll talk about that in another video because I'm still waiting for that to come in the mail. But I'm just popping my disc on. Here we go. Voila. So, first thing I want to pop in is going to be all of our beginning pages. Now, my only request from the Happy Planner is to give us a notes page in between the back of this and the currently so that, you know, we can move and glue some things. So I'm going to go ahead and pop all these pages in. And I have hardly ever used my perpetual calendar pages, but this year I want to use them to keep track of notes and appointments and stuff so I don't have to write in my calendar section. So we're going to put our planner purpose pages there, and then we're going to go ahead and put in January for our catch-all. I'm not going to put any dividers in as of yet because I'm still searching the Etsy interwebs to find out what kind of dividers I want to get, or if I just want to hack some dividers that are already on. We shall see. So I'm going to go ahead and pop my daily pages in right after January. And depending on how chunky this ends up being, once I'm finished adding all the catch-all pieces together, because it's going to be in like stages, I may add in February and March. So that has January in our first little section of daily pages. Now I'm going to add in our, I can add in pretty much everything except for, well, no. I'll add in our meal planning pages. So as far as the meal planning pages go, I want to use my perpetual calendar to plan out my menus for the month. And I only cook like twice during the week because I don't know how to cook small, and I was trying to teach myself how to cook small and I gave up. So if I just cook once, it usually lasts us all throughout my work week, and then I'll usually cook again on Fridays, and that'll get us through the weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all of these beginner pages up until February. Funny thing is, I love this photo here that they use for the background of this meal planner, but I do not like avocados. Just a fun fact for everyone. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this stuff in. And this will actually be my third section? Second or third section. I haven't quite decided yet. And I still may end up switching it up after starting to use it. So this is where we're at thus far. I am going to put my name in. I just haven't made it yet on my Cricut. And we have our planner pages. That's cute. And then I'm going to be adding in our daily schedule pages once I finish with those. And then we have our daily pages and our weeklies. I'm so excited. So this is our first half of our catch-all Frankenplanner setup. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the 2022 planner lineup playlist. Bye now.